Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Remitly app. So first of all, just open the Remitly app and go to the home page. And from the home page, you have to go to the My Remitly tab, which is the fourth icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, if you go from the top of the list, you are going to find the language menu, which is the second one, and you can choose from these languages that you can see below. There are not a lot of languages that are available at this point, but they are always updating the list, so you can probably find the language that you understand. I mean, if you understand this video, you are already covered because English is here. And when you choose the language that you would like to use, just tap on confirm and the app is going to change the language to this one. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.